So what frustrates me about organized religion? Okay, I think that, okay, even if we're all born as God's children, like we're all born differently. And the whole thing about organized religion is they say you have to be this one way and you have to act this one way and you have to relate in this one way, and if you're not doing it that way, you're doing it wrong. And it's frustrating because, I mean, we all interpret whatever we read in the Bible, whatever we learn through life differently. So it's hard for someone to turn to you and say your mode of thinking is wrong, and that's frustrating. And especially like on this campus, that they police it and they make sure that you really try to think of their own level of mentality, which we're not all the same.
What frustrates me about organized religion is that the lack of freedom to explore the world while you're going through this phase is limited to what you are taught at home, taught at school, and taught at the church. I think there's 3 different messages going on at once, and the focus on them is only given at home and at the church. And what frustrates me the most is that your parents will focus on one thing and the church will focus on everything. And basically, the church is supposed to focus with you and your parents. And the way that I view it is that it's very controlling, and as growing up, from teenage to adult, you're persuaded by teens, and that's the frustration where it lies between peers and your parents and the church. So we need to take a grip of ourselves and focus in the Bible and focus more on our family and God itself to make it less frustrated.